Hello guys, when you use your computer for a long time without cleaning up the garbage, it will be full of drives, resulting in a slow drive running lag, full of hard drives. Today we will show you how to clean up your computer garbage as well as help your machine run smoother, reduce lag, and increase memory capacity. My computer's head drive has 269 GB of free space. You can wait to see how much of it's empty after cleaning. Here's how to clean up your Windows 11 computer. Cleaning the garbage. Delete files in the download and recycle bin. Remove unnecessary applications. Delete temporary files. The first way is to clean the C disk. On this PC, you select Disk. Then right-click on it and select Properties. Here, in General, you choose Disk Cleanup. The window Disks Cleanup for C. You choose Cleanup System Files. Wait for the scanner to scan the junk files. And after the scan, you tick Select all the files in the file to delete. Then select OK. There appears a message asking you if you want to delete the files. If you do not want to cancel, you choose Cancel, and Delete. You choose Delete File, you wait for Delete. You choose OK to end. The next step is to delete the files and folders in the download and recycle bin, as the folder also takes up part of the disk space. In the Window Explorer, select Download, then click Ctrl+A to select all files and folders in this download, and then right-click a file or any selected folder on the trash icon to delete. It is still not deleted after deleting because it is still in the recycle bin folder. Now that you have opened the recycle bin folder, press Ctrl+A to select all files and folders, then right-click on a file or folder and select Delete. It now announces that you want to delete permanently. The third way is to remove applications that don't need to be removed, which will increase the memory space of the C drive because the applications also take up a portion of the memory. You click on the Windows icon, select the setting, then select the app, then choose the apps and features. This will show the apps installed on your machine. You will see which apps are unnecessary, then choose Uninstall. Doing the same with other apps will make your machine run smoother. The next way to increase memory is to delete temporary files. First you press the Windows +R key combination, or move from Run to the search dialog. Here you type the word temp and then select OK. The window you choose continues to appear. Here are the files saved. You select them all by pressing the Ctrl+A keys, then click the right mouse on the trash icon to delete. The machine will delete the files and show the window that you tick into the cancel cell because the other files are running. Second, you also open the shaking dialog, then type %temp%, select OK, you select all files, then right-click on the trash icon to delete it. The usable file window pops up. You choose Skip to skip running files, and then close the window again. Third, you do the same thing. Open the shaking dialog box. Type the word perfect. Select OK. Continue to continue, do like the first one, select all, then right-click on the select box icon to delete. The machine will delete it, and the file window to use pops up. You choose Skip to skip the files, then close the window again. Next, you need to delete the files you just deleted in the recycle bin because the temporary files you just deleted have not been deleted completely. You select the junk icon, then press Ctrl+A to select all, then click right on Delete. The Delete Items window appears. You choose Yes, wait for the deleter, and then close the window. After cleaning up the garbage, check that the disk is 10 GB empty. Because it was originally 169 GB, You should clean your computer regularly to increase the free space as well as make it run smoother and more stable. There are ways to clean up the C drive, increase memory, and also make your computer run smoother. If you see, like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos. Hello, and see you again.